Are you looking for the best bow saws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best bow saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bahco October 24th 23 Bow Saw. When it comes to woodworking and home improvement, it goes without saying that the final product is only as good as the tools at hand. One should have the best hand saws, jigsaws, circular saws, and bow saws readily available for a finished product to be proud of. And when choosing the best rated bow saw, it is an open secret that the Bahco October 24th 23 Bow Saw with ergo handle is the best choice on the market. This bow saw gained popularity for its durable construction from high-quality metals and intelligent design that makes it the ideal choice, not just for professionals, but also for beginners. It comes with an easily adjustable tensioning mechanism that ensures an efficient cut regardless of the material being used on. What's more, its ergonomic fit provides maximum comfort with minimal effort, making it the premium choice for many users. Beyond those features, this ergonomic bow saw can equally be used for heavy-duty work, without any risk of bending under the weight of the load. It has impressed more than the 94% of users and remains one of the most recommended bow saws available. Its knuckle guards implemented in the design is surprisingly not a common feature for bow saws. Along with the multiple sizes available, the level of practicality and customer consideration is what sets it apart from the rest. Its affordability, efficiency, and versatility are just extra perks to sweeten this deal. Its top-rated bow saw. Despite all these features, if you are still not entirely sure that the Bahco October 24th 23 Bow Saw is not the one for you, have a read through its key features below. If you work with saws, check out our guide to the best reciprocating saws. Up next in the 4th place is the Great Neck Saw BB21 Bow Saw. Having the best DIY tools should not only be limited to professionals. Beginners should also benefit to make the work at hand easier and more enjoyable. Even as a beginner, you can find yourself a top-notch product to complete any unfinished DIY job on your to-do list. And the Great Neck Saw BB21 Bow Saw is another strong contender. This top-rated bow saw comes in multiple sizes and is easily one of the most affordable saws for those who prefer not to splash all their cash. The hardened steel blades of this bow saw ensure ease of use and efficient results. Furthermore, the chrome alloy encasing guarantees its durability if a long-lasting product is a priority. Beyond all the amazing features this bow saw offers, it is a fan favorite with a popularity that has stood the test of time. Great Neck Saw Manufacturers, Inc. has been around for almost a century and was founded in 1919 by Samuel Jackoff, a toolmaker living in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. Since then, it has been a mission of the company to manufacture a superior quality, dependable tools for a reasonable price. Needless to say, it's evident they're keeping to their word, as the Great Neck Saw BB21 Bow Saw continues to be a favorite. The 3rd product on our list is the HB Smith Bow Saw. With the HB Smith Bow Saw in your toolbox, you're definitely in good hands. This high-grade saw is noted for its ability to chew through wood, making it a good choice for cutting fresh and damp wood, such as logs and thick branches. Your safety is also guaranteed with the addition of its impressive blade guard cover. It's surprising the number of accidents that occur when saws are left unattended to. Luckily, with the intelligent addition of the blade guard from HB, the teeth of the blades are covered during storage to not only reduce the chances of any injury occurring, but to also prevent the blades from dulling, which is often caused by other objects rubbing against the blade teeth. The HB Smith Bow Saw is also a premier candidate for all your woodworking needs. With its hardened teeth, you're guaranteed all the desired results with less effort applied. The ergonomic handles also provide a stronger grip, thereby reducing the chance of accidents while working. And with the saw's durable steel frame, you won't have to worry about it bending under pressure or worse, breaking after short use. Second on our list is the TRUPER AJT-24 Bow Saw. The TRUPER AJT-24 Bow Saw is a bow saw best designed for cutting green wood only and doesn't come with a blade for cutting up dry wood. Despite this, the features offered by this blade are seemingly limitless. This tool finds its way onto our exclusive list thanks to its affordability, durability, and its top-notch knuckle guard. As previously mentioned, although a vital feature for bow saws, knuckle guards are very uncommon, hence why this is a standout feature of the TRUPER Bow Saw. What's more, the TRUPER AJT-24 Bow Saw offers a quality tensioning system and a comfortable non-slip ergonomic handle. Thanks to the sharp serrated saw blade, which is easy to replace, the small cutting tasks can be done quickly, making it a perfect sawing toolkit for DIY lovers. Its quick blade release mechanism also allows users to change blades in a matter of mere seconds, and the sharp and pointy nose ensures that it can easily reach tight spots that would be a problem for other bow saws. The TRUPER Bow Saw is easily one of the best saws that offer a strong build. However, don't be fooled into this that its durable construction means it will be too heavy to use. Although sturdy, this bow saw still promises lightweight handling. And with the metal alloy used for construction, you won't be hurrying to get it replaced anytime soon. You can be sure that regardless of multiple uses, it will remain strong and sturdy for years to come. Finally, the top product on our list is the Fiskars 7029 21-inch bow saw. Fiskars is one of the oldest companies in the Western world. Started in 1649, this brand has survived world wars, pandemics, and much, much more. That's why we're confident that you'll love their product. When you've been in the game for over 300 years, you learn how to impress your customers. This product, the Fiskars 7029 Bow Saw, doesn't look anything like the first products that this company made. They might be a heritage brand, but this bow saw is made with modern materials and using up-to-date design techniques. It has a lightweight tubular steel frame that holds the hardened carbon steel blade. This easy-to-grip, lightweight design makes this saw super easy to control. When you're cutting through a thick branch, you don't want any extra weight making the movement more difficult. The blade is coated in a rust-resistant material that extends the life of this tool. We were also impressed by the safety tension level, which is designed to provide added control. Plus, this bow saw comes with a lifetime guarantee, so your purchase is completely protected. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.